Hi, my name is Lee Drogue. I'm the owner of Mr.Electric of Chapel Hill and Cary. We're at the beautiful Carolina Club here at UNC's beautiful campus. Go Heels! We are here today to do some advanced training for our service professionals. We really value education, and in the trades, we know the value that it brings to our community and to our customers. So we're so happy to be here with other owners within North Carolina and in Virginia to invest in our service professionals. We're so happy for this opportunity, and we're so grateful to UNC, to Carolina, and also to Mr.Electric for this opportunity. So thank you.
I'm Jeremy Smith, owner of Mr.Electric of Tulsa and Oklahoma City, and I am the sales trainer here at Chapel Hill for all the North Carolina franchisees. My ultimate goal for the service professionals to learn here is I want them to just be better service professionals, better communication, better with people. Because really, ultimately, if we're better with people, we're going to be better with everything else that comes along with it. They're already good at their trade. We just want to master that concept of being just great service professionals with people.
We are so thrilled to have you here, and I just want to thank all of you for getting up your Saturday to come here to really improve yourself. This is a huge opportunity, and what you do with it is really up to you. Okay?
My name is David Field. I am the co-owner of Mr.Electric in Greensboro.
And my name is Emily Field, and I'm the co-owner of Mr.Electric in Greensboro.
Well, still learning the process, but one of the things I like, at least, or a couple of things I like, is just the variety of the job. Anytime you walk in, you don't know what your day's going to be like, you don't know what your week's going to be like. It can be feast or famine. You can have the calls go silent for 5 hours, and then all of a sudden you get a flurry of activity where you've got 15 calls coming in 30 minutes. Keeping the guys busy, and certainly like the support of all the owners that we're meeting with this trip we're on here, and all the exciting things we're learning as the SPs have to do that type of stuff too.
And I would say the thing that I like most is working with my husband. That is probably my favorite thing. And second favorite is talking with the customers every day and just trying to help them through some pretty challenging situations that they're dealing with.
My name is Herman Cortez. I'm a service professional for Mr.Electric of Gastonia. I think one skill that separates a good electrician from a great one is being able to interact with the customer. Really getting into the mindset of being able to not just band-aid fix things, but get a complete fix for the customer, and to not just go in there and try to fix it and get out. Really working at Mr.Electric, it's a fun environment. All the other service professionals, even the owners, are very, very interactive with each other. It's a very team-oriented company. So if someone needs help, they're right there with you. If you're hurting a little bit on your week, they help you up, they motivate you. So really not being left behind is kind of a big thing I enjoy about Mr.Electric. You should feel confident in calling professionals, especially Mr.Electric, because we get it done right. We offer different solutions based on your situation. We take into account that the economy is up right now, and a lot of things cost a lot, but we know that with our pricing, it's fair. It's going to complete the job, and most importantly, you're going to be happy at the end of the day and safe.
Good morning. My name is Dwayne McGregor. I am working at Mr.Electric of Chapel Hill. I'm a service professional, and I'm a team player. So, being a professional electrician, the thing is, you have to love what you do. I love to be an electrician because I like to help people. And yes, love to sell, yes, but in the end of the day, helping is one of the major stuff where I like to see a smile on somebody's face when I fix something, what's giving them problem for a long time, and they don't know the reason why it is happening. So when I go there and I troubleshoot, find problem, solve it, and they smile, that gives me a good feelings. I love to work at Mr.Electric. I love my team. I got a good team, I got a good boss. know what I'm saying? So working in Mr. Electric is like a family.
My name is Valente Battle. I'm a sales professional out of Burlington, North Carolina. What I like most about Mr. Electric is there's no cap on my potential earnings. I'm not stuck under just an hourly wage. I like that a lot. Being a professional electrician to me is I'm a caregiver, a safekeeper, and an overseer. I go into your home, I'm gonna make sure your home is safe, so I can have a peace of mind, you can have a peace of mind. I'm gonna make sure that you get quality, clean work, and be very professional about myself while I'm in your presence.
Time for your attention, for your professionalism.